Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making sugar cookies, Valentine's edition. So let's get started. So first I have a bowl with 3/4 cups of room temperature butter and add in 1 cup of granulated sugar. Mix these together until it becomes fluffy and a light color. After a couple of minutes of mixing, add in half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix the vanilla with the batter, and then I'm just adding in an egg. Once we've mixed all our wet ingredients together, let's set this aside and work on our dried ingredients. In a separate bowl, I have 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix everything together. Now that we have both of our bowls ready, I'm going to add in half of my dried ingredients to my wet ingredient and fold it in together. After a couple of foldings, we're just going to add the rest of the dried ingredients. So just use your hand if you have to. Makes it a lot easier. So because this is a Valentine's Day special, I'm going to make this a little bit different. So half of the dough is going to go into another bowl, and I'm going to keep this one, and we're going to add some colors to this. And make sure that it is a gel food coloring and not a water base, because if not, it's just going to mess with the dough. So now I have my workstation. I have my dough, a rolling pin, a board, I have some flour, my cutting pieces, cookie cutters, I have heart-shaped ones, and take a baking sheet with parchment paper. So the trick to these is to flatten it out first, and then we're going to roll it out. So don't have it too thin, but have it just a little bit thicker. And place your cookie cutters on the dough. And now just remove them from the edges, and we'll reuse these dough. And now take a spatula and carefully remove them from the board, and we'll place it on a parchment paper. So now I'm going to make another one, and this one is going to be kind of like a tie-dye situation. So just design it any way that you like. After cutting these up, let's put it in the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes. And then let's turn on our oven at 350 Fahrenheit. So the reason why I'm keeping it in the fridge is so that the butter stays intact and it's not melted. If it does melt, it will change the consistency of the dough. So throughout the process, when you're rolling it or cutting your cookies, put it in the fridge right away, because again, it's just going to be very not dough-like, but it will be more of a watery consistency, and that's not what we want. So keep it in the fridge when you can, and then once it's been removed, we're going to put it in the oven. But while you are waiting, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification for more of my videos. Once the cookies have been baked in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit, let it cool down in the baking sheet and then transfer it to a cooking rack. And once it's been cooled down properly, and here it is. So this is my recipe of the sugar cookies, Valentine's edition. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and hit that bell notification for my new videos. Thank you so much for watching.